You know this situation all too well. You are asked to build an application that can predict consumer behavior on the website, on mobile devices, and in the store while optimizing the company's inventory. You finally figure out the specs and start building your application when new data and more requirements start getting added to your scope. You get asked to integrate various data from multiple sources to include online streaming data capabilities and add analytics requirements to do predictive, geospatial, and various other complex data analysis. To tackle all these new requirements, you start looking into libraries that can make your life easier. You find a library that allows you to solve the data integration needs, and another one to take care of some of the analytics requirements. All of a sudden, you find that you need to change your data models. Your architecture is no longer working as you initially intended, and your code is no longer something you can be proud of. You start spending more time learning than coding. And worse, the great application that was promised at the beginning is starting to show performance problems. Not all functionality can be delivered, and you start getting a lot of questions from your boss. So, how do you fix it? Where do you start? Well, let me show you SAP HANA and explain how it works. SAP HANA is a platform for data-driven applications. It's built from the ground up for all your data needs. So you can do text search, define data rules, add streaming capabilities, integrate with Hadoop, analyze data using predictive, geo, R, and more. Let's take a look inside. At the heart of SAP HANA is the in-memory database, which organizes all data in columns, so it reads the data from top to bottom and only focuses on the columns that are needed, enabling fast processing and great compression. Because its data is kept in memory, there is almost no wait time between data accessing and processing in the CPU. And since you can basically query anything really fast, you no longer need to create aggregate tables or other indexes, keeping your data model and design simple, regardless of what future query requirements need to be added. To make it a rich development platform, you can make use of an entire set of functionalities for almost all data processing and analytic needs, including spatial, search, text, application and UI logic, predictive, planning, rules engine. And to keep you flexible, you can also integrate other transactional databases, unstructured data, Hadoop, and various other data sources. You can build your data apps using JavaScript directly on the server in SAP HANA. Or you can extend the data functionality for use with other apps like mobile or web, via SQL, JDBC, OData, and other interfaces. So what are you waiting for? Learn more, sign up, and start building your next amazing app.